Here's the app called AI Chatbot Noah, powered by ChatGPT. And this is quite a popular ChatGPT client. Of course, probably you heard that there is already official ChatGPT app. You can ask why I need to use some of these additional apps. But like some people just also like some different designs, some additional features and something like that. And if the app is not too expensive, then you can also use it as well. Of course, I need to say probably, of course, the latest models and everything will be first time in the official ChatGPT app. But here, as you can see, yearly access is just $40 per year, so it's not that expensive. And if you like some features in this app, you can use it in addition to a free ChatGPT iOS app. And then here, this app is it says here that no AI consumes tremendous amount of computational power. That's why Noah operates on a credit system for messages. Each request sent to Noah deducts 1 credit from your balance. You will receive 3 daily credits by default, or you can upgrade to the Pro plan for unlimited messages. And then you can just type here, and then you can just write some text. You can also allow access to your microphone. You can talk to this app similar as an official ChatGPT. And then let's see how it works. And then if you want, you can enable audio in top right. Then you can see that it generates, but it's quite slow. As well, so it's similar as in ChatGPT, but for example, if you try Google Bard app, you can see that it's much faster on mobile. There is like some waiting list for Google Bard, and then you generate responses. Like you can generate like 3 responses instantly in Google Bard. And then also here in this app you can scan a text, which is quite helpful. So it's not yet that capacity, but then you need to upgrade, obviously. It's not yet that capacity that you can, scan and recognize objects or do some advanced stuff with visual, with images, but you can easily recognize text, and then you can also speak in audio, and then will transcribe you, probably just using like ChatGPT Whisper. And then here you have that this app is available on Apple Watch as well. It's available on the website. It's available in different languages. You can select preferred language here. However, you need to know that ChatGPT automatically works in many languages. If you start to write to the ChatGPT in any other language, then English, it also should work automatically. So something like that. And then why this app is quite popular, because it's made by professionals, some app developer company which made some other popular apps here, which you can see. And so that's basically the idea. You can explore all these different categories. You can have it like that. You can have your own history. You can delete your own history. And then there are credits, and then you're receiving 3 daily credits in Noah app. So you see it's just three answers per day basically. So this is just like a beginner usage. So if you need to ask a lot of questions, you're just gonna go to official ChatGPT app where it's free to do. But if this app are also available on Apple Watch, or for some other reason, like you can just stay with this app, and it's just $40 per year, so not that expensive. So try it out.